Anytime I call your name, you they answer me. So I trust your ways. You are full of grace. Mighty are your ways.
For me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side. So me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side.
Every single day, you keep guiding me, showing me the way, the way you look after me.
Few meters in the water, with the waves pulling me deeper and deeper below. The ocean's getting louder, and the air's escaping as I hear the billows roll. How did I end up here? place I'm in. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. Although I walk through the valley, I will not fear 'cause you're with me. Even if you stuck out 'cause you hold me, you keep me from falling. Storms raging, no matter 'cause I know that you're with me. I'm hidden under the wings of your spirit. Higher in you there is no fear. Higher, only faith lives in here. Lord, in your secret place I dwell. You're the reason why I'm alive today. Lord, I owe it all to you. There are times I never thought I'd see the light of day, but you came to my rescue. You're the reason why I'm alive. There would be no me without you. You're the reason why.
What's up, gang? Good morning. Good morning. What's up? How you guys doing? Happy Monday, everybody. Let's see who's here. Drop some energies in the chat. Good morning, everybody. What's up? What's up, Sing? Good morning. W's in the chat. Good morning, John. What's up? Let's see who's here. Let's see.
That is why I know fi tire, I know fi retire. Apple of your eye, best of your design. Yeah, for your purpose, yes, you created me. For your purpose, that is why I exist. Wonderfully, beautifully made, wonderfully.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers. When they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC.
Alright, Cha. I pray for you, Cha. I pray for you. Pray for me. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat, gang. Shout out to 11 viewers right now. Drop the energies in the chat.
And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight.
Drop the energies in the chat, everybody.
And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Way, the real childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shaq with a handicap booty. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Data and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swing through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my
We
eye.
need sticky man today. Yeah, hopefully. No, no, we know we don't need the sticky man, bro. We're done with the sticky man. We're gonna figure out something today. We're gonna figure out new one today. You like sticky man, huh?
Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom. Know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents with a dollar in the
Sticky
drink?
man
What
for the
numbers would it
win.
seem? Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believe. And then you made it real. You gave me everything I need, and all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith.
What's up, Reese? How you doing? Good morning. All right, gang. Let me do the top down analysis here. Let me do some top down today. um, yeah, let's start with the weekly time frame here, man. Weekly is like a shooting star. It says like a shooting star. All right, so the weekly, as you can see here, we're just moving up, moving up. All right, so we cannot do anything here on price. We're just pushing up towards to the upside. This is the weekly. How many pips we move already? How many pips? We moved 370 pip already by this day. Okay, so for me, the thing here, I just don't like how the weekly open, because it makes like a small bottom wick here. Should I mean if the weekly wanna move up, you need to see this like the same steeper bottom wick on price, right? The same steeper bottom wick like this to move up, right? But yeah, I've seen a lot of news that gold this year might pops on 3,000 I mean 4,000 US dollar, right? But that's the weekly. The daily, okay, the daily close without any top wick here last Friday. No top wick here. That means you don't have range to move up, but we're still moving up. That's the, if there is a lot of volume into the market, there is high chance that if this candle close without any top wick, and we know that we are still bullish on price, man, this one we're gonna rip up here, push up even further. As you can see, we're gonna make a new all-time high again here, 3,720 area. So let's drop to the four pushing up. 1 2 3 4 5 candles are pushing up right now towards to the upside here. So the 1 hour here, okay, as you can see, we have support. I'd say support here, or let's drop to the 4 hour here so we can have a look. So right now, as you can see here, last week we talked about this support, like, right? This support is making sense right now because as you can see, we moved down and right now we're moving up again. So the structure create on higher highs and higher lows. So from here, move down, move up, move down. Right? As you can see now, right? We're creating the trend, higher highs, higher lows. As you can see how the candles respect the lows here on higher highs and higher lows. So that's the 4. Let's see on the 30 minutes time frame. All right, there's no bearish closure on the 30. Let's see on the 15. So we're just creating a market structure here on price. So I'm gonna mark this as my resistance. Okay, this is my resistance. This is gonna be nice once we close probably below this range. So we are in the middle of the range on the 15. How many pip we can move down today? We can move down 140 pip. So let's see if we're gonna move even further today. Or if this candle close above, probably gonna take buys, but let's see. Let's see. Good morning, Muzam. How you doing? Good morning, everybody. We are moving up. Who got some sales here? I believe too many probably sellers been clap again here, gang. This is pretty tough. We cannot take sales here because some of you probably take sales because you know that it's supply or resistance area. For me, I'm not gonna take sales here yet. And as you can see how the price close on this area, respecting, right? There's no sales here. There's no closure yet. Oh yeah. 11 minutes for candle to close. Yeah, 30. I don't like how the 30 looks like here. If the 31 push down, we need to see this kind of closure. Probably close below the range, and we can have a sales going down. So that's probably the plan today. 15, yeah, 15 close below. Should close below. That would be nice. Was the candle close below the range? Okay, make sure you like the stream, all right? Like the stream, subs to the channel. Shout out to 14 viewers right now. How you guys doing? If you have any questions, you can type in the chat. Let me know what's the questions. 10 minutes for candle to close. Can we close below? Can we close below? Below. Do we have news later tonight? Okay, we don't have news later tonight. Tomorrow is JPY bank holiday. News, PMI, okay. Okay. And the 4 open up without any bottom wick here. 4 open without any bottom wick. That looks ugly there. 1 hour for candle to close. Damn. Alright, BTC is going down here. Going down. BTC is going down, down. Nas 100 still bullish. US 30 still bullish. GJ, oh, nothing. Consolidating. Look at this weekly candle on gold. If we buy gold on 2000 area, how many pips? 1,000, 16,000 pips. Seven minutes. Can we close below here? Can we close below? That would be nice if we close below. 5 minutes for candle to close. 5 minutes. We kind of slow after the volume. Man, the volume is pre-London volume. Push up heavy. Wow. 160 pip. But the way this candle close, man, this looks like nothing for me because probably no top wick here. There's a top wick, a little bit top wick, but I'm not gonna consider this as a top wick. I need to see probably this should be fine to move up. But right now we need to adapt to the market. If this candle close like this, man, this is gonna be yeah. Look at this. How the candle closed here, here, here. Yeah, probably it's adapt. We need to adapt. Like if the candle close the same thing every single day, we see this kind of closure, and we know there is a volume direction is gonna push down, gonna push up. Man, we need to adapt on this kind of market condition. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, too many candles. The same closure, but still pushing up here. Look at this. Look at this. All right. Back to the candles. 3 minutes and 30 seconds for candle to close. Shout out to 20 viewers right now. 3 minutes. No closure. No closure. Gonna wait for candle to close. Damn, chat. Damn. Chat. I'm thinking right now if what you guys suggest if I create some videos like educate you guys. What kind of videos do you wanna see like uploading here in YouTube or Instagram? Let me know. Drop it in the chat. I wanna know. If you wanna, learn about, trading, let me know in the chat so I can, create for you guys. Would like to see some trade technique explanation, execution. Maybe, for example, explaining the onion and how it looks when we do the trade on the chart. Okay. Sure. I probably gonna make that. Just now it's a popular question. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna make some videos about how onion works. All right, 30 close, nothing. 1 hour close, nothing. 4 hours still open. So yeah, we're gonna base on 15 minutes time frame here. So nothing on the what they call this, nothing on the 30, nothing on the 1. So we're gonna stick on the 15. We need to wait for candle to close below. This should be fine. Close below. Close below, sure. Should be good. Who got some trades in the morning here? Who got the trades in the morning? Who got some buys here in the morning? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Fatima, oh nice. You got buys, you got sells. What you got? What you got? Oh, sells. Got dubs. W. Not trade yet. No trade yet. Waiting game for me still. Whoa. Wow. Wow, Reese. Got some buy, coach. Nice, man. Don Andre. Drop the bomb again. Drop the bomb. Got some buys. W, man. Wow. Fatima. W, man. W gang. W. For me, no trades yet. I'm gonna wait here for candle to close below. So if this candle close below the range, should be fine here to move down. Should be fine to move down. 150 pip buys. Wow, man. W. W gang. W. On the 1 hour, it looks like impulse. Some discipline habits we can adapt, or how to do a daily trading journal. How to do a daily trading journal. Should have a trading journal. There was entries crazy by, yeah, here. They pumping the gold. They want to push gold higher. Higher and higher. Hitting 4,000. Yeah, hopefully it will hit. I mean, I've seen a lot of news about gold. They want to push till 4,000, but let's see. But you need, if the goal wants to hit 4,000, you need to see some corrections first, you know? For me as a technical trader, you need to see some corrections, retesting some lows here before moving up. But man, but if they want to push up the price till 4K, yeah, we cannot do anything there, right? But for me, I wanna see, if you wanna take buys for long term, you wanna see some retrace first before taking buy. But right now you cannot take buy. There's too many. They're doing some FOMO thing on the traders here right now. They're still pushing up the price, and some of the people will cook here. We need to see a retracement here before taking buys. So it's the same with crypto before, right? They wanna like I've seen this crypto thing. They wanna push up here 100K, and then suddenly the price dropped. Too many buyers took the buys on 100K, 115K, and then suddenly the price dropped. Then all of the buys there, they become liquidate, and then they're trying to move up again. Crypto try to move up. The same with Nas 100. The same with stock market. This drop last March, man. They're buying on at the top for 44,000. They're suddenly price drop. Too many people got liquidated and then push up again, as you can see. The same with gold. Probably, yeah, hopefully. We want to see some move here, moving down. So we can trade bot. We can trade. We can like hold the trades a little bit longer. Because in this scenario, in this situation, I'm not gonna take buys here right now. I'm not gonna take buy. Even this candle close above. No, I'm not gonna take buys. I'm not gonna take buys on the all-time highs. If we are in the NY session, like NYSE open, yeah, I probably and then candles close above. Yeah. I can probably take buys there. Because we have volume already. And then suddenly the volume stopped. So yeah. But man, we're pushing up here crazy. Holy gold, what you wanna do? Damn, Goldie. Goldie. Goldie is Goldieing. Feel the range could come down now. Let's see, man. Let's see. Because you re-break the previous candle high on the 30, so there is a high chance that we can rip on 3722 or 3725 there. So yeah, let's see what will happen right now. Gold is golding. Philip, how you doing? You're late today. You're late today, gang. You're so much busy, huh? Oh, you got some buys. Wow. 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 Good job. Dun, 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 dun. All right, nothing. 2 minutes for candle to close. Looks like gonna push up in the next 15 minutes candle. Looks like gonna push up. How many pip we move? 70 pip on the 30 and the 1. We already broke the 1 hour high. Oh damn. Let's see. I just wanna watch the price. Close. Yeah, I close above, but let's see. We're gonna move up. No cells yet. There's no structure for me for cells. Cells looks like good here once the candle close below. This nice. Or sell down. But for cells there, no. Resistance, this is just a 15 minutes resistance. There's no 1 hour resistance. 30 minutes resistance is nothing. So yeah. We need to wait for this candle, like this kind of, then taking sell here, taking buy here. Right now, nothing, chat, nothing. So make sure you like the stream. We're gonna wait here. We still have time. So waiting game. Today is Monday. No need to rush. No need to do something that is not part of the plan. Right? We don't need to do some YOLO trades today. And you guys don't need to do some YOLO trades. You know that. Waiting on the 30 closure. Yeah, the 30 looks like, yeah, looks like good for closure above. But the question is the 1 hour. The 1 hour move already 71 pip. Now we need to ask ourselves if this 1 hour can move up or re-break. Yeah, if the 1 hour re-break this previous candle high here, and we know that we're in the all-time high, yeah, there's a high chance that we can pops up here. Close probably like that. So yeah. Let's see, gang. Let's see.
Say, I'ma praise the Lord forever and a day.
Right now, it's really risky to take some trades, buy and sell. I really don't want, the price gonna make a new all-time high and then the range there. I really don't like that kind of scenario on price. I don't like ATH pace. Yeah, me too. Because if you're taking buys here, you don't know sudden volume will come, like the price will drop. That was crazy. Right now, yeah, I don't want to take buys on the all-time high. I want to take buys on the structure and the support, probably down here. Man, September is about to end. That was pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more trading days, and we're heading to the quarter four. How's trading, everybody? How's the trading? How's trading? Are you guys make a lot of money? Yeah, doing this is loading already. You guys make a lot of money trading or still struggle? Still break even? Make enough? It's trying to break the break even pace. You're good, Reese. You're good. You're gonna break that. You're gonna break that too. I ain't gonna lie, I've gotten cooked. Oh yeah, man. What's the problem? What's problem there? So if you gotten cooked, man, you need to diagnose those system. We'll bounce back. Yeah, we'll bounce back every single time. No problem. We're gonna bounce back, bro. I've take a loss here, but I bounce back, man. I've take loss here on price. See, look at this kind of 190 pip loss, and then bounce back. As you can see, 73. I'm just taking my time. Was rushing the evils. That's really the problem there, bro. You need to diagnose those things. If you're rushing the evils, what will happen if you rush those evils? Because right now your mind is have a lot of thinking that, oh, I wanna make money. I wanna rush the process, you know. But you don't know right now. You know the outcome because you're rushing the process. You're rushing the evils. Now you know the outcome. So you need to diagnose those things, those systems really working, the setups really working or no, right? So yeah, man. Bridge prop firm. It's okay. Lim. Take the new one. I'm not winning right now, but I believe the process and I'm gaining value insights from you. Thanks, you're awesome. Man, thank you so much, bro. Sing, you're good, man. You just show up in the live stream here, bro. We're gonna I right now I'm gonna promise to you, chat. If I hit 1K in the next year, we have 3 months. I am gonna trade like a prof firm. So we're gonna pass a prof firm together with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take a new prof firm by next year again, and I'm gonna pass that together with you guys. I'm gonna trade that only on the live stream, so no problem. All right, I'm gonna trade that only in the on the live stream. Yeah, progress. W progress was 6 day out of 10, getting a 2 to 50 payout, man. Yeah, that's the problem if you're rushing. Right? Don't rush the things. Don't rush the process, bro. So I'm gonna suggest you like whatever, like if you are in profit, if you're in drawdown, the process remains the same. So stay composed. Stay steady, my friend. Oh, nice, man. Thanks a lot. No problem. Trading for me is not all about making money, bro. It's all about the growth, that having discipline. The money is a byproduct that you need to be disciplined in every single day, in every single aspect in trading. Right? Because if you don't follow your plan every single day, you know what's gonna be the outcome. You don't follow your plan, and so probably if you are like gonna trade here right now, if you're gonna take sales here and it's not part of your plan, then you're gonna win, bro. You will have a tough time. Why? Because you're not following your plan. You're taking sales here and it's winning. It's gonna be a habit. Oh, it's gonna be a habit like, oh, I'm taking trade here right now. I know that it's gonna move down. It's gonna be a habit, you know. I become more disciplined when I start, I don't know, live streaming like 9 months ago. Right now, I'm 9 months in do live stream, so I become more disciplined, showing up every single day, trade live with you guys. That's a big dubs for me, even though I didn't make a lot of money this year. It's okay. My goal is to show up every single day, learn strategy, learn, adapt to the market more, because I'm still 2 years into the market. Like how I am supposed to be disciplined within 2 years, you know. Some of the people fail. Some of the people don't see result in 2 years, 3 years, they quit. Some of the people don't see result in 5 years, they quit. But I'm still in 2 years, have system already, right? I am disciplined already. So what more? Like the next year will come. Like if I follow every single day this kind of system, man, I know it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be I'm gonna be a better person following the system, but better trader, right? So we're breaking out here. Breaking out again. 3 minutes for candle to close. Shout out to 33 viewers right now. Eric, what kind of prop firm do you are future trader or CFD? Respect, my brother. Been watching you for like 3 days. I've been trading for 3 years plus and got seven figure funded at 2 months. And discipline is key, bro. Yeah, discipline is the key. Mostly have these features a bit. Thank you, Groovy. Discipline is the key. Yeah. Got familiarized with last 3 months. So are you trading one pair? Are you just trading gold or you have different pair too? Yeah, only go. Yeah, nice. So the question there, Eric, is have you follow your plan, every single day? Do you like journal your trade? Do you follow the setup that you have? Because you need to diagnose that thing, If you are like if the trade is not winning, you need to diagnose, you need to figure out something. Oh, why the trade is not working? If the setup is not working, you need to figure out things. You need to make a new one. You need to find up. You need to have a it's problem, and you need to figure out the solution. 7 figure funded 2 months ago. Wow, that's nice. Adapt, yeah, adapt to the market. We just adapt to the market. Adapt and be patient. Oh, candle close above. That was nice. Definitely over leveraging. Yeah, that's the problem. You need to understand. So for me, bro, I always like so in my funded account, I always have um I risk small, I risk kind of medium, I risk kind of large. This is my risk percentage that I use every single trade. And when I know the market's a little bit chop, I always risk small. It depends. And if I got wins on the trade, I gonna risk small on the NY. It depends how because only you only gonna figure out things. You versus you. I was a professional Call of Duty Warzone player, and every tournament we go check back. We did wrong. Every strategy is still good, and try and adapt. The same with trading. Yeah, the same. Oh, you are a professional Call of Duty. I play Call of Duty too, bro. I play Call of Duty. I play Valorant. So yeah, maybe someday we can play together. Carry me. Yeah, it's all about strategy, the playbook, right? Same with the if you are an athlete, right? Basketball player, football player, whatever kind of sport, they have strategy. They have a playbook that they're following um, every single game. Yeah, the discipline applies in life, so you need to fix yourself first before you do anything else. Fix yourself, fix your mind. It's all about if you want to be disciplined, it's all about a routine every single day, gang. Right? The routine that you need to follow every single day and adapt that. If you are someone that you are folding your bed, you are wakes up in the morning, 8 a.m. the morning, clearing your mind before hop onto the chart, you are a discipline. Or if you are someone that working out every single day, you are a disciplined person that it's really hard to break the rules, really hard to break the plan every single day. right? I always go to the gym after, after the live stream. So I'm the guy that have a discipline, have a patience. It's all about that. Our destiny is written already, but we need to work, right? To get that thing, to get that goals, you need to work hard, right? My plan A was trading. My plan B, this trading need to work. Otherwise, I'm gone. I'm done. Right? That's why I'm still here, showing up every single day with you guys. And me versus me, you versus you. That's it. Only you can figure out things. Nobody can figure out that for you. I cannot figure out your psychology. I cannot figure out the people that, oh, this guy have 50% psychology. I cannot figure out that thing. You only that figure out by your own self. I cannot say, oh, this guy is looks like he doesn't have any like this, like that, right? So be patient, follow your plan every single, fix yourself first before you do something else. All right, really, really, for sure, bro. I streamed for 3 years Twitch to quit and full time trading now, but for sure, bro, I'll carry you to some. Yeah, man. Thank you. Yeah, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. The link is in the bio. Not gonna rush greatness. Yeah, we don't need to rush great things. Always, don't chase. I always say that don't chase the money, because the money always follow when you have the skills already, right? I just told you guys that I didn't make a lot of money this year, but it's okay because I focusing more on funded account. I'm focusing more on passing funded account. That's okay. Proud of you, brother. Wise words. Thank you. Love and wisdom there, man. Thank you. I see like this community, even though we're not currently trading, we're still gaining by sharing knowledge. Yeah, man. W. Right? W there. It's not all about trading. It's all about the value that we get every single day. That's the value. How you gonna adapt those value? Value, man. Value. We are bullish for the day, man. We are bullish on a gold. So, London session still bullish. I believe NY can push the price up tonight. But for me, I need to see retracement here on price. Otherwise, it's really hard to take buys here on this range. But if there is a clean traffic here, gang, like if this price move up and then create some market structure here, create some support form, and we know that we're heading to the NY sessions, yeah, it's good for buying up again. Because the day now we know the directions. We don't have any news like today, right? We don't have any news. So yeah, never understood consistency clearly till lately, bro. If you wanna see some consistency, consistent results, just follow 1 to 2 trades a day. All right, my mentor told me if you wanna see like real result in your trading, just trade 1 to 2 trades a day. You don't need to trade 10 trades a day, bro. You don't need that. You're gonna have an headache. Because as a human, we just have 1 to 2 emotional decisions a day, because trading is all about money, right? All of us are uh all of us are we have a fear to lose money. So take 1 to 2 trades a day, and after that call it a day. If you got win on the Asia lower your risk on the London, and if you don't have trade on the London session, come back on the NY session, right? So yeah, lower the risks, 1 to 2 trades a day, keep the 9 to 5 away. Yes, 1 to 2 trades discipline will really works. It's how find the guy have profitable amount versus when I was overtrading daily before. Are you saying you have in place a trade? No, I don't have any trades yet. I need to wait for the price move. Nothing for me. Nothing for me, chat. Damn. Look at that. Can you look at that? Holy no bottom wick open here. Price moving up here. Damn. Let's see how this 4 hour close. Man, if this 4 hour close, no top wick, that was really, as you can see, gang. If this 4 hour close, no top wick, no bottom wick. eh, oh, too many sellers been clapped today, probably. Mhm. 15 close, no top wick. Still price pushing up. Still price are moving up. We are moving up. We are moving up. Nothing, gang. Nothing today. Nothing, chat. Nothing today. Yeah, I'm bullish on price here. Bullish. Probably NY will push. NY will push. NY will push today. Do we have Trump tweets today? No. Yeah, we don't have Trump tweets. We don't have Trump tweets. Chat, if you have any questions, okay, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Any questions? Questions. What my age? I'm 20 plus. 20 plus. Yeah, 20 plus gang. Where do you live, Groovy? Do you live here in Dubai too or different US or whatever? London. Sing, where are you from? Amsterdam. Oh, nice. Sing, where are you from? Sing. Can you sing? Which prop firm you pass, bro? Groovy. One tackle. Oh, yeah. How much is the 100K there, bro? 2 times 50K now. Oh. Sing is my job. Where are you from, bro? Sing. I'm new, Irene. Anyway, we are in the London session. London session. Oh. India, okay. Oh, it's cheap, huh? 390, okay. It's cheap. Nice. Boop, 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 boop. No, I never heard Nagas. I know Mumbai. I heard Mumbai. Mumbai, Kerala. I feel my first 50K they give me leverage because oh, 1:3 leverage. That was low. I trade with FTMO. Yeah. FTMO is technically they give you 1:100, so that's nice. They don't care about I mean they have rules that you need to raise 1%, but yeah, the leverage there is 1:100. Yeah, 1:100, and quite expensive. The 100K was, I believe, 600 plus, and the 200K is 1,200 plus something. Boop, 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 boop. Nothing today, gang. We're pushing up here. Probably gonna look for buys later tonight. I followed you in IG just now. Oh, nice. Thank you, bro. Sing, you look like Chinese, huh? I want to milk this Quentnaga and then I'll buy some of the challenges. Yeah. How many challenges did you fail on FTM before passing? I failed 500K before I pass. And I scale, I become funded 300K funded on FTMO. And last week I blew the 200K. Damn, yeah, that's really bad. This kind of, lows. Yeah, it's okay. My goal is to become max allocated in FTMO. So I'm not rushing. I still have 3 months, or if didn't happen this year, I'm gonna come back next year. January. We still have time, bro. Yeah, I'm Naga. That's why we're Mongolians. So nice. Yeah, I believe you can sing, huh? You can sing, huh? Sing. Yeah, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Yeah. We're gonna be there, bro. We're gonna make a big payout soon. So I'm chill, I'm patient. I don't need to rush as long as I can pay my bills every month. So I'm blessed and highly favored. I do day trading full time right now. Just day trading. Day trading, streaming. And people will say, "Oh, you're a streamer. You are YouTube. You are a YouTube streamer. You're gonna be rich. You're a trader. You're rich." Damn, son. They doesn't know that YouTube doesn't allow me to verify the YouTube the live stream that every single day. There's always an email sending to me. Question, bro. How much percent profit? Normally, bro, in FTMO, if I made like 1 to 2% or maximum 3%, I gonna wait for the payout. I'm not gonna trade that account and gonna wait that payout. Shout out to 33 viewers right now. Gang, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream, subs to the channel. Like the stream, subs to the channel. Yeah, just, stream again, bro. Stream again. Just do it right now, bro. You don't need to be ready, bro, to stream again. Just start streaming. That's it. Start right now. Nah, bro, I'm done with streaming, bro. I left my Call of Duty career. I mean, stream like trading, about trading. Now you're gonna change. Stream about trading, not Call of Duty. I know maybe later in me. For now, I just enjoy watching other streamers. Oh yeah, cool. Tung, 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 tung. Nothing here. No bottom wick again. What is this? What is this, gold? Can you look at that? So gang, okay, so for me, my bias for today is bullish. I'm heavy bullish on price right now. We don't have any retracement yet. That's cool. That's fine. The 4-hour open ups right now. And the daily is bullish. So we're gonna wait for the volume to come on the NY. Right now we need to expect probably retrace. Just retrace, retrace here to push up or retrace here to push up. That's it. I just gonna wait for some retracement and then support form. Right, once the candle like move down heavy like this and then candle make a new support form like that, I'm probably gonna take buys on the next open of the candle. Right, gang? So yeah, that's the analysis for today. Thank you guys for hopping to the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So no bueno for us today on the stream. So see you guys tomorrow, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat, and I see you tomorrow. Peace and love, everybody. I'm out here. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You realize that you are a champion. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we
was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe and I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout keeping kids in the school. I guess I cleaned up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Did you realize?